Hi folks, and welcome to a playthrough of Auf Wiedersehen Monty. This, I've actually done another Monty one. I don't know if you've looked at it, but I did Monty on the Run, and this is actually the one I used to play as a kid, Auf Wiedersehen Monty, so hopefully I'll be a little bit better at that. Nice front cover. This was made in 1987 by Gremlin Graphics. Lots of authors in this one. Sean Hollingworth, he did another game I was looking at earlier. What game was that? Peter M. Harrop, he did Monty on the Run as well. Chris Kerry, Steve Kerry, Colin Dooley, Greg A. Holmes, Terry Lloyd, and Ben Daglish. This was, I don't know what they all did, music and art and that probably. This was $7.95 at the time, and I used to play it in and around the late 80s, I guess. Two tapes again for Auf Wiedersehen. Oh no, there's not. There's the 128K and the 48. I'm going to play the 128 just because it may be better, but it will have been the 48 one probably I was playing. Maybe. Oh, that's nice. Now I've got my headphones on. I'm presuming that you can still hear the music. I'm going to check that right now. Yes, sound is working. Right, how do you define a keyboard? I like the little rolls he's doing at the top. Well, cursor, is that actually going to work? Probably not. Oh, not this again. Alright. Oh, he's got a walking sound in this one. Little snail, little yo-yo guy. Strangely, and I hate to sound like a broken record. Oops, I don't quite remember this level, but this is surely the one I played. Controls are fluid, although the up and down keys appear to have changed. Or do you just jump to go up and down? Probably not, but I presume they're just decoration. His animation frame in mid-jump looks good. The jump feels quite nice too. Oh, so that happens. Oh! Do I remember this one? I might have picked yet another Monty game that I'm not overly familiar with by the looks of it. Which is strange. There's definitely one that I'm quite... Minor Monty? He's always a minor, isn't he? Seems to be a bouncing pole, which was very nice. And you collect those ECs, I guess. Certainly do. And you can fall, which I like. Yeah, this is not the one I thought it was, which is exactly what I said in my last video. Still, nevertheless, good little game. Whoa, this is like, reminds me of a mechanic from Turbo Magical Flying Hat, or Decap Attack, or basically Psycho Fox. The bouncing things, the things that it kills you. Things you bounce on, that's exactly the same actually. And the sprites are nice. Bit of parallax scrolling in the background, or semi-parallax, or just scrolling. That is a nice touch actually. And I wonder if Auf Wiedersehen Monty is anything to do with, because of Auf Wiedersehen Pet at the time, probably. Whoops. Oh, I'm drunk. Makes you go the wrong way. When you get a bottle, it's going off. Can't go anywhere up the top. Should be able to fall. Yes. Yeah, the one I had is like his soul rises out of him when he dies. Some sort of flying burger. Games were just so surreal back then. We didn't even question it. Get a enemy that was a burger, now everyone would think you were mad. It's quite nice, you can really jump around. Very free. I wonder what happens if I jump off there. No, you can't. I actually quite like this. Whoa, he got drunk and just stormed into there. Look, I can't stop him moving. He's moving on his own now, because of the drink. Oh, well that's hard, isn't it? You can really jump almost through anything. And the jump was really high and satisfying. Can you go in that water? And can you get on those hooks? Oh, you can, look. How cool is that? It's upside down. That's brilliant. Oh. I'll give it another go. It's actually quite good. Probably better than the one I played in terms of speed. Oh. I'm still going to find mine after this copy. I keep doing that. Oh my goodness. Can you go through that? Nope. Just wasted a life, son. Whew. What do the ECs stand for? Wow, I like that. Time it right and you get up. Yeah. I was down there, wasn't I? Don't know how I did it now. There you go. P. Oh god, I'm crying. There you go. That frog, that's very cool. Right in your face too, so to speak. But I don't see how this jump could be made. Whoa! Well, at least I didn't die. Look at that man at the bottom. Amazing. Take something from Metal Slug or something. Some great pixel art. How do you get down there? I want to see that though. Or do I? Well, I'm impressed by the scrolling. Shouldn't have got that. It's making me walk automatically again. Wait for it to wear off, I think. There you go. Some sort of cloak. Wow! That unveiled a new enemy. Unveiled. Nice. Oh, I don't know what happened there, but the floor automatically killed us. Okay, that was Auf Wiedersehen Monty. My search will continue for the one that I used to play as a child. Thanks for watching.